Number 1. Aura Glow Teeth Whitening Kit. If you are looking for the best value for money, this particular gel from Aura Glow is your go-to product. It contains around 35% carbamide peroxide. Therefore, the volume in this formula of peroxide is substantial enough for you to get the best results. This whitening gel contains a proper balance in ingredients to ensure you face minimal pain or sensitivity. Besides, the company guarantees that you are getting fine results after just one treatment. Number 2. Ismail Teeth Whitening Kit. Here is a product that you can use 10 minutes per day to see wonderful results. When it comes to a long-term thought, stains from smoking, wine, and coffee, it can lead to severe cases for your teeth. Thus, you will receive an amazing outcome within the very first usage of Ismail's Teeth Whitening Gel. With this particular gel, you will see 8 times whiter shade in your teeth in 7 days. Number 3. MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit with LED Light. This company's gel is one of the highly rated products in the market, not just because of the quality they deliver, but also for the budget-friendly price. Let us start with the fact that this gel shows rapid results right after 10 minutes of usage. That's because of its LED light, which includes in the package. Number 4. Pambu Teeth Whitening Pen. This particular gel from Pambu is the ideal product to get if you are a person on a budget. The package comes along with not 1 or 2 but 3 milliliters. All 4 whitening pens come along with over 30 uses, which is quite enough for you to attain 4 to 8 times whiter shades. One of the most highlighted features about this gel is the bleaching agent. It has 22% carbamide peroxide applied in this gel formulation. Number 5. Cali White Vegan Teeth Whitening Kit with LED Light. The whitening gel is essential for those who are looking to regain the glow in their smile. The product comes along with tons of features and additional attributes that will assist you in whitening your teeth as fast as possible. After the first treatment, you will start seeing 4 times brighter results, and in approximately 7 days, the results will be as white as new. What is even better about this particular gel is that alongside the 35% peroxide formula, there is an added sensitivity serum applied.